Hello, and welcome to this Little Light guided meditation created to heal and open your heart chakra. With an open heart chakra, you can experience an abundance of love, compassion, forgiveness, and empathy for yourself and others, allowing you to find the comfort and confidence to be yourself. Find a safe place where you can sit or lie down. Take a moment to make yourself comfortable. Now close your eyes and place your hands over your heart, connecting to that sacred space where your physical self and spiritual self are united. Connecting to the beat of your heart, the rhythm of your life. Take a moment of gratitude for this space that holds your beautiful heart, this heart that gives you life. Release your arms and bring your attention to your breath. Focus on the breath entering the body on the inhale and then exiting on the exhale, like a wave. Throughout this meditation, when you notice your mind wandering, bring yourself back to the wave of your breath. On the next inhale, visualize riding that wave of your breath through the dark and damp open doors of your nostrils, down the dark hallway of your throat, through a corridor that leads straight to a door to a room in your heart center. You open that door and step inside. Your room, like you, is completely unique. Visualize what your room looks like. Feel what your room feels like. Maybe your room is clean and bright, with windows from the floor to the ceiling. Maybe your room is cluttered and has many walls around it. Take a few moments to wander around this room. Notice the colors on the wall, the furnishings. If there are windows, what do you see outside? Somewhere in this room, you're going to find a beautifully wrapped green box. It might be right in the center of the room, or it might be tucked away in a corner under years of old baggage and boxes. Take a few moments to explore and find the green box, taking stock of what else stands out to you in this room. Noticing any sensations that rise up in your body as you wander around. You find the box and feel giddy with excitement to open this beautiful gift. Maybe your palms are a little sweaty and you feel butterflies in your belly. You notice that there's a card on the box and the handwriting is very familiar. It looks like your own handwriting, but you don't remember ever writing this. You realize that this note was written by your inner self. Take a few moments to read the card. You finally open the box and find the most beautiful, radiant particle of light. You take the tiny light out of the box and bask in the warm, loving glow. It feels like coming home. You notice that with each inhale, the little light gets a little brighter. And with each exhale, it grows a little bigger. Soon it gets too big for the internal room, so it starts creeping out into the hallways and corridors of the rest of your body. You feel the warmth of pure, radiant love traveling through your veins, up and down your spine, down to your belly, to your tailbone, down your legs, across your arms, down to your fingertips, up to your throat, your face, to the crown of your head. Soon it is too big and bright for your body to contain, so it grows bigger and brighter, extending out beyond your physical body, through your aura, expanding out into the room, brighter on the inhale and bigger on the exhale. Brighter and bigger and more powerful with each breath, filling the room with pure, brilliant, loving light, pouring out the windows and the doors, into the streets, through the city and state, making its way across oceans, valleys, rivers, mountains, blanketing the entire world, shining brighter than the sun through the universe. Visualize and feel that pure, radiant energy and love. Feel the warmth and love as you return your attention to the wave of your breath, bringing all the power and beauty of that light back into your heart center. But don't lock it away in that box again. Keep shining your beautiful little light into the world. On your next breath, bring awareness back to the physical body, wiggling your fingers and your toes. And once again, bring your hands to your heart center, connecting to and honoring that sacred space. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. The poet Rumi wrote, "Do you know what you are? You are a manuscript of a divine letter. You are a mirror reflecting a noble face. This universe is not outside of you. Look inside yourself. Everything that you want, you are already that. May you go into the rest of your day knowing everything you want is already inside of you. And may your little light always shine bright. Namaste."